Hi everyone! Let me introduce myself. With me, Miss Oline, and today I want to show you how to make our own simple introduction animation using only this app, Scratch 3. So make sure that you download Scratch on your tools, and then here we go. First things first, we have to introduce you to our Scratch panel. First one, we have our background panel, of course, to adding more background. And the next one is we have our character panel to adding a character to our animation. And then above the character panel, we have our preview panel. That's where our animation and our backgrounds are. And the biggest one here, we have our coding panel. That is where we will give our instructions or our code to our character. The last one is our coding choices menu panel. We have a lot of instructions here to give to our character. Before you start, I'll recommend you to watch all of our tutorials here because they will be very useful to you. So are you ready? I think you're ready with your ideas. And here, I'm going to start with choosing my background. Click the button on the background panel and then you will have a lot of backgrounds here to choose. For me, I will go with a colorful city, but of course you can choose your own background. After that, you can see that your background is already on your preview panel. Next one, choose your character. Click choose a sprite in the character panel. You will have a lot of characters here or sprite that you can choose. I think I'm using two sprites here. The first one, I'll go with the bus. After that, you can move the bus based on your liking on the preview panel. If you want to edit more character like me, you can also go back on the character button and choose the other character. I'll go with Abby. But I think I don't really like the Abby clothes color. I think I wanna change it, and we're going to click the costumes button. We will change the character's color and other things, or erasing something that you don't like. For me, I'm still going with the basic. I just changed the color of the shirt because I wanna make it even with the bus and the background. I'll go with pink. Make sure that you remember the number of the color if you want each expressions that you have here with the exact same color. One more thing, before you change the color or anything that you want to edit, make sure that you click the character on the character panel. If you want to change the bus, of course you can also click the bus on the character panel before you edit it. So here comes the hardest part, but I think you can do it if you follow all of my instructions here. Coding the character. First one, on Abby, I'll click the looks, choose the say hello for 2 seconds. I'll drag it on the coding panel. On the events menu, I'll choose when the green flag clicked. Green flag, that's above the preview panel. I think I want to change it to when this sprite clicked. And then combine the say hello for 2 seconds with this. There you go, that works. still on the looks, I'll go choose the next costumes order, but I'm giving space here to the previous because the previous instruction is already finished and I want the character to know what to do afterwards. And then sound menu, and I choose start sound pop. When we click the code, the character will change the costume and expressions that we have edited before, and the sound pop will come out. Do the exact same thing because I have one more costumes to show. Don't forget to go to the events and choose when the sprite clicked to separate each code to make the character change by its clicking. So it's showtime. I think I'm done with the girl. Then I'll go with the city bus by clicking the bus in the character panel. First, I want to make it sounded like it's walking, so I choose the sound menu. I think I will drag the start sound car room. Again, click the code and check on the preview panel. Then I'll go to the events menu and I choose when green flags click to make it different with the girl character. Click the green flag to check is it working or not. Then I want to make the bus seems like it's walking forward backward. I will go with my cursor to move my bus in the preview panel. Then move my girl so the bus will have more space, I guess. When you see the motion button, the number will be changed. As you can see that. Then choose glide to X, Y. Like this. Move the bus again where you want it to be moved. Then the number will be changed again, and that's your next order to your bus. Combine the glide code by clicking on the control menu and then choose repeat. You can also change the number based on your liking. Final check, click on your green flag. Then let's do a big preview. That's it. Next time, let's do the harder challenge, shall we? But of course, make sure you already subscribe to this channel and like these videos. Bye!